Hello everyone, welcome back to Montauk Avenue, and today we're doing a carrot juice with ingredients with green apple, ginger, orange, lemon, and of course carrots. There's so many great benefits for this juice. I will put it in the text. So I'm starting off with the carrots first. I'm gonna peel them with a peeler. Make sure you have a really good one. I chose to use 2 carrots. I'm just taking my time to peel the skin off. After peeling both carrots, I'm now chopping them all up into small pieces. All done. Now it's time for all of the other fruits to be cut up. Now that we're done with that, it's time to put it inside of the blender cup. If you don't have a juicer, it's okay. You could use a blender and then a strainer or a cheesecloth to take out all the chunks of the juice. Water to help with blending. Now I'm going to let this blend for a little while. Now that it's done blending, I'm now going to use a strainer to take away all the chunks. You don't have to use a strainer or a cheesecloth if you prefer it with a thick consistency.
Be sure to check out our other juicing videos. Peace divine.